or not, yeah, side cabinet, side table, side cabinet na mayroon dalawang drawer. Tapos merong living area here. Like living room. Tapos meron din dito yung table, extra table. I really love the interior. Sobrang ganda, sobrang cute. I really love the abanico here. Tapos yung abanico here. Diba? Ang cute niya. Nakaka-inspire. Parang pwede siya pang interior design sa mga houses. Ganyan. Inspired. Ang laki ng ano naman na to. Ang laki ng share na to, guys. Tapos ito, ang ganda din nito. Meron ding extra chair here. Ang cute. Okay, sorry. May technical difficulties. Nawala ang ating mic. Yes! Ito na! Yun yung view. It's more like the resort view. Pero andun na yung dagat, guys. You see how close I am sa dagat? Andun lang siya. That's all dagat. And then you can hear the waves. Diba? Ang luwang. Ang laki pala ng resort na to or ng hotel na to. And then there's Bougainvillea. Bougainvillea. It's giving Filipino, it's giving neighborhood vibes with the Bougainvillea. Ganon. Joke lang. So, basically, yan yung room. Tapos ito merong ano dito. So, diba, ang sarap lang mag-muni-muni here. I don't know if you guys can see me. Yeah. Muni-muni lang here. Magkakape-kape ako mamaya. No?